Yes, today morning our breakfast is actually chapati. So, not only breakfast, every time I used to keep some food on the outside of our home, on the wall. Every time some ants or insects, they used to come and eat that food. But today, another one came and ate the food. I will ask you that with some questions, you want to identify what it is. Okay, children? I know that animal and it has two legs and it has wings and it has a beak and it is black in color. Now tell me which animal came there and ate the chapati? Can anyone? Yes, black in color and it has wings. Means what is that? Yes, it is the crow. It is the crow. Yes. Today our topic is what it may. Can anyone say what is our topic today? Yes. Today we are going to discuss about features of the birds. Okay. What the topic, children? Features of the birds. Features of birds. Okay, children. Now when I ask you the question, once again listen. It is an animal, it has a beak and it has wings and it has two legs and it is black in color. What is it? Yes, it is a crow. See here, children, animals that have beak and two legs and feathers. Yes or no? Feathers, we call it as a bird. Okay, children. Now once open your S1 and you have some pictures in first question. See that once? Yes? Did you see? Yes. Yes, children, what is that picture? Circle the picture of the bird. Among these four pictures, which one is the bird, children? Yes, third one is the bird. How you know this is the bird? Yes, we know that birds have feathers and beak. This one is the crown, eyes, and this is the beak. This is the neck. See here, this we call as a claws. What we call? Claws. And these are the legs. And this part we call as a belly. And these are the wings. This side one wing and but that side another wing. So these are the feathers. All birds have feathers. And this is the tail. Okay, children, now see here, what are the common features of all the birds? What are the common features? Means all birds have beak, feathers, wings. Isn't it, children? All birds have beak, feathers and wings. Now tell me what makes birds look different from the other animals? Yes, birds have two legs, but animals have four legs. Isn't it, children? And now tell me how the birds are different from the other birds. Do our birds look same, children? No, the birds are different. Different in their size, different in their shape. Yes or no? Different in their color also. Now see here, parrot. Parrot in which color, children? Yes, green in color. But its beak color is red in color. Isn't it, children? And now tell me, it has a red beak. And for example, duck. We know duck. Isn't it, children? Yes, duck has webbed feet. All birds have claws. Yes or no? But some other birds are like duck. They have webbed feet. And it has a broad, flat beak. Isn't it, children? It will be like this. The duck will be like this. Isn't it? Very broad beak. It has beak, but beaks also different from each and every bird. Okay. And see here, it lives in the water, and also it will live on the land also. And see, crow. In starting class we have learned about crow. Yes or no? A crow is black in color. It is different in their color. Parrot is green in color. Duck is white in color. But crow is black in color. And owl. Do you know owl, children? Yes. Owl is a night from the around our surroundings of our homes also we can see the pigeons. So in birds we have different types of sizes, shapes, colors, and the different types of beaks also. Okay, children, now tell me, can all birds can fly? Once again listen my question. Can all birds can fly? Do you know any bird that cannot fly? Yes, I think you know penguins. Did you see any time penguins are flying? No. Penguin is a bird. It has wings. It has webbed feet. It has a beak, but it cannot fly. Okay, children. So, and also for example, do you know dodo bird? Yes, but nowadays the dodo birds are not there. So we are calling it as a extinct animal. Okay, extinct means the animals which are no more on the earth. In before olden days, we used to have dodo birds. Okay, these are also birds, but they cannot fly. Okay, children, now open your textbooks.
Yes, children, did you open the textbooks? Yes, page number 28. Keep finger. Beautiful birds. Features of birds. Animals that have feathers, beaks, and wings are called birds. They have other common features such as eyes, neck, belly, legs, claws, and a tail. See that picture, children, once. See that bird have beak, feathers, belly, leg, claws, eye, wing, tail. Common features of bird. Okay, children. Next. Birds are different from each other in the way they look, their colors, and their beaks and claws. Some birds have long legs, while others have short legs. All birds have wings, but all birds do not fly. For example, penguin is a bird, but it cannot fly. Open your volume, children. Page number 24. Write the date. Features of bird. Yes, we have completed already first question, isn't it, children? Once again, see. Circle the picture of the bird. You should circle the picture of the bird. Number 2. An ostrich and a duck are birds. How are they different from each other? You want to write the difference between these two birds. Okay, children? See the third one. How is this bird different from other birds? Yes, you have given one picture here, that is penguin. Yes? Yes, how this penguin is different from the other birds? You want to write the answer detailedly. Okay, children? Thank you.